Hi everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library. Today I have a fun activity for you. We're going to make our own dinosaur terrariums. Feel free to stop by the library beginning today to pick up your supplies. Let me show you what you're going to get. You're going to get a glass jar like this. You're going to get your very own dinosaurs. You are going to get some rocks. And you're going to get some grass. It's fake grass, so don't worry. You're also gonna get some dirt. So, adults, parents, just be warned, you might get a little dirty, so you might wanna do this activity at a table and clean afterwards, or even do it outside. Or if you don't wanna use the dirt, that's okay too. The dirt's gonna be in a separate bag, so if you don't wanna use the dirt, you don't have to use the dirt. A terrarium is just a fun place where reptiles live, so we're gonna assemble our own. It's really pretty simple. You are going to use all of your supplies, like the dirt. Imagine where dinosaurs used to live. They lived on the earth. So I've got some rocks. We could pretend they're big boulders. Looks something like that. And then your grass. You could pretend they're trees, or maybe they're plant-eating dinosaurs. And herbivore, that's called a herbivore. And they want to eat grass. And finally, my two dinosaurs. Let's say this guy is eaten, and this guy is napping over here. And there you go. It's a very simple project, but very fun. And it looks like your very own terrarium. And the great thing is you get to keep this so you can put it on display in your house. If you like this project, please let me know on our Facebook page or the next time you come in. I really hope you have fun, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!